Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. And to do this you'll need to open the Google Play Store. Inside find Firefox. Install it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open the browser, and right here begin the setup. But first we'll need to turn over the screen like that. Now choose your different theme, pick a toolbar placement. Now also sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between privacy protection settings, read the privacy notice, and lastly click on start browsing, open any website. And as you can see, this browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.